Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick and simple look today. We're going to be using my extra short square soft gel full nail covers for this video. As you guys know, I do sell these in my Etsy shop and the link to them will be down below. But all you're going to do is go in and size them out to your nails. Make sure that they fit wall to wall. You do want to size them out before you begin doing the actual applying the nails and the whole process, because it just makes everything go so much faster. For applying the nails, we're using my solid nail tip glue gel, also available for purchase in my Etsy shop. So we're going to be using this method. It's kind of, just think of it as a clear putty. That's the texture that it gives, like a putty texture. So I love this product. You guys rave about this product. You absolutely love it. And I'm so happy you love it just as much as I do. It just makes the whole process of applying nails so much quicker and easier and faster. Just a disclaimer, if you do want to have your nails last 2+ weeks, you do want to make sure that you're prepping your nails. We did not cover prep in this video, but if you are interested in how to fully prep your nails before you begin this process of applying them, be sure to check the link in the description where there's a video of my most up-to-date prep routine. And I'm actually going to redo it soon and just have a whole video dedicated to how to prep your nails, because I get comments on that often, but I will be making that video soon, so that should be coming out shortly. Additionally, a lot of people always ask me after I apply these nails and cure. I'm doing multiple fingers at once, as you can see, to eliminate the time that my hand is in and out of that UV lamp. So that's a little hack there. But after I do apply my fingernails, I go in and cure, and I do leave the soft gel full nail cover on. So oftentimes people ask me, do you pop them off after you cure? And the answer is no. After I cure, I do leave them on. You want to leave these on because these soft gel full nail covers, they're not thin, but they give you a nice structure and a nice apex. These are not dual forms. They're soft gel full nail covers, so they're meant to stay on after curing. Alright, so after all of our nails are on and cured, now I'm just going to go in and do some shaping. This part is super quick and easy. The main reason I use soft gel full nail covers is because of the shaping process. Shaping was always difficult for me. That was always my biggest downfall when it came to learning how to do nails. So learning how to use soft gel full nail covers makes that whole process much faster for you. And this is an 80/80 grit nail file. Check the link down in the description. I purchased these off of Amazon. They're in my Amazon storefront, but I also have the individual link listed down below as well. So here are the nails. I did go in with this buffer and buff my nails. If you have an e-file, you could go in and just sand them down as well. But you do want to make sure that when applying gel, you don't have to actually. These are soft gel full nail covers, so it'll adhere regardless. But to give it a nice look, I just go in and sand my nails down and make sure everything is nice and sanded before applying any gel polish. So for this gel polish, we're doing a very easy, simple black look today. Black gel polish can be tricky to find a good one, and as you can see, one coat, bam, ultra pigmented. So this gel polish, this black gel polish, is by Beetles. Beetles is one of my favorite nail brands for gel polishes for many reasons. Their colors are always top tier. They're always nice. They have a nice opacity and they're very rich in color. If you're looking for a gel polish that's buildable, probably not Beetles. Beetles is just very rich in color, as I said earlier. But I love Beetles because of the size of the bottles. So as you can see, it's a very small bottle. And I personally enjoy it because if you're new to doing nails and you're, a DIY girly and you do nails at home and you want to have like your own little nail shop and have a whole bunch of different colors, if you buy full-size bottles, most of the time you'll never go through the whole full-size bottle in a lifetime, unless it's a common color like white, black, nude, pink, right? But if you want a variety of colors, most of the time if you buy those full-size bottles, you'll never really use it all. So I like how it eliminates waste. Also, it's a smaller bottle size, and that allows you to collect more different gel polish colors for space. That's a big thing for me. Like, I have a whole bunch. I probably have over 500 different colors, and I have it all on one rack on my nail desk. So it definitely helps save that space. So I definitely recommend Beetles. They're a great product, and they are sold on Amazon. Link to that will be down below as well. Now we're going to apply our top coat. So this is the basic gel top coat by Model 1s. This is not the no wipe top coat. This one is my tried and true, my absolute favorite. I love this top coat because it stays nice and shiny a week plus after doing your nails, which is hard to find with top coats. So I definitely recommend this one. Now I'm just going in and wiping the sides of my nails down. I believe I forgot to mention it in this video. You do want to make sure that you're using an ultra hydrating cuticle oil as well after this step. So you can see the cuticle oil on here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.